Good morning, YouTube. We're here early. You guys are here early, so we'll hang out together for a little bit. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. Guys, follow me on Twitter if you're not yet. At Trader2179. I just posted a really nice tweet on there. I said I got the exact bottom in Bitcoin, BMNR, MSTR, and every other stock that exists. Morning, Yeg. Get it up, baby. Don't get in the way of this one, guys and girls. Let them do their thing. We are breaking through all levels on the upside. Wackadoodle ski, man. Crazy, man. Crazy. Momo had the 1 minute. Momo just work again. What was it? 92.50, Ken? I think I didn't even see it. I just got back. 93.50. Got 2 points, 3 points. Very nice. So we were watching the 1 minute Momo, guys and girls. It's worked several times today. It's a 1 minute chart. So a recent high was 93.50. 1 minute momentum, boom, gave you 2 and 3 points. We're kind of just off to the races now. So obviously we'll look to be buyers on pullbacks, but I would not get in the way of this on a short side. Bitcoin was down 5,000 points. It's only down 28 points right now. Yeah, I know. Look, they were looking for a reason to buy this market up. We were extremely, extremely overdone. And we're getting it now. So there you go. We'll see how long it lasts. Bitcoin rallied 3,000 points. Whoop-de-doodles. We have a churn and burn situation this morning when the PMI comes out. Is that the PMI? And what is it, 9:45, guys? We had a churn and burn yesterday that we successfully got a PA account in Apex. Yeah, 9:45 is the PMI. And then 10 o'clock is Michigan Consumer Sentiment. So you got two of them in there. We will not have any positions at 9:45. We'll try a churn and burn at 9:45. So I'll show you what I got. I got 2 new accounts ready to go in my Apex. Account number 492 and account number 493. I will buy 10 contracts in one at the market, short 10 contracts in the other at the market, and try to make 6.25 points when the PMI comes out. Yesterday, it was very successful. We got a nice PA account going. Where are we this morning? Very small this morning, $362, $281, so $600 for the morning so far. And we're chilling, man. All right, what do we like? The buy side of the ESs? Let's take a look. We can fib it. We can trend it. We can do all sorts of things. Trend trade is 75. It's down 14 points from here, and it'll be down 20 points from where we just were. Ken's got a little fib at 81.50. And then we got 75. So Ken's just measuring from this low to this high. Here, let's do it. Let's see if I can figure it out. This low, this high. And I have 82. Close enough, Ken, right? 23.6 is 82. Yeah, right about there. I probably didn't match it exactly, but we're close. So that would be a Fibonacci retracement level, 23.6 from the high to the low, from the low to the high. Boom, chaka-laka laka. I ain't snapping anything. Matter of fact, I'm getting rid of it. You know me. Today in boot camp, Ken is going to teach everybody Fibonacci's. So big lesson for everybody today. You guys will know how to do it. Do not if you're not experienced with fibs, even post anything on here about a fib, because you have to measure them from the right spots. It's going to be a gigantic lesson with us today. We are in the last day of our boot camp, guys and girls. For those of you who aren't in the boot camp, we have traded the markets live every single day this week, gone over our entire course live in real time. It's been a spectacular week. Yesterday was a losing day for us, only the second out of the last 49 trading days that we've had that we lost money, but we do have losing days. We do have losing trades. It is the cost of doing business, guys and gals. But we had a really good night last night in slow markets. And off to a good start this morning. So yesterday is yesterday. Today is today. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. And it's Friday. We always take it a little easier on Fridays just to relax. Relax, don't do it. We're going to get to it. Relax, don't do it. When you going to come? For those few people who are joining us on YouTube, okay, I'm posting a link here. That is the link to our course, guys and girls. All right. Just think about this for a couple of minutes. Our course is $299. Prices are all going up starting next week. We're working on it now. So they're going to be higher than what they are right now, without a doubt. For that $299, guys and girls, you are getting 7-hour course about futures. You are getting slow markets, which we trade every Tuesday and Thursday night. Tuesday and Thursday night for 3.5 hours is included in that also for that $299. And we have payment plans. I'll give away some accounts later, and I'm going to invite you guys all into the trading room next week. But you want to trade futures, you want to learn how to trade futures, you want to be with us for 7 hours every week on Tuesdays and Thursday nights. This is an incredible, incredible offer. $300, guys and girls. Silly. Silly if you don't jump in with us. Like I said, 47 out of 49 days we have made money. It's been a really, really good run. Just to be able to trade the futures for 7 hours at the end of Tuesdays and Thursday nights for people who aren't working is worth $300. And we have a payment plan if you can't afford the $300. So that's the link. Click on it, grab the course, and I'll have everybody visit with us next week. All right, so we got nothing to do right now. We are hang-a-lating. Do you know if I can trade futures while being located in Romania? Good question. Anybody know if you can trade Apex or futures from Romania? Pre-market has been good so far, William. Yes. Ken has had 5 trades this morning. All momentum trades. Point here, 2 points there, 3 points there. Probably made 10 or 12 points already in the ESs. Only if you have an American bank account. Yeah, they won't pay you. There you go. Boom. So don't open up an account if they ain't going to pay you. All right, we can get rid of this stuff, right? All right, do we want to try the trend, guys and girls? The trend is 76. That's still down 10 points from here. Let's put it out small on the MESs. Again, let's take it easy Friday. Relax. 65, 76. Bump, 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 bump. Downside consolidation below 84. Ken, I can't do it. I'm just not good enough to do that. It's just not my bag. I suck. So Ken just shorted 84.75 and took 2 more points out of it. Anyone in the trading room grabbing these Momo trades? I can't do it. First of all, I don't have time to do it. That's the bottom line. I can't. Roman, it's all done. It's fixed. It's fixed. It's fixed. It's fixed. It's fixed. Yeah, it's all good. Which course would be the best to trade Forex? None of our courses would be the best to trade Forex or indices. I mean, and NASDAQ, absolutely. But here's the gig. Okay, you should learn how to trade the ESs, and you should learn how to trade gold, and you should learn how to trade oil, and you should learn how to trade NASDAQ. That's what we do. You know what I mean? That's what we do. I have no idea what's going to happen today, William. None whatsoever. All I know is it's Friday and we're taking it easy. We got the trend trade out at 76. If we do it right now, small. If we bop down there below the 76, we got 70. So we get 76 right now. We'll try it for a little trade. And again, guys, I am only trading MESs. Okay. So take it easy. Next level is 70. And again, like I said, guys, I am not in a hurry to do anything today. Next level is 68. So if you have multiples, I would take one off break even because we spiked down here. There you go. Got one off break even. No, keep it tight. Like I said, I'm not crazy about doing anything right now. So we got out of one break even. Relax. So volatile, this market. It's silly. In the groove, wah wah. In the groove, wah wah. Just trying to get a point. Move on to the next trade if we get it. There we go. Oh, let's relax. Very lots of volatility here today. So let's see what we like next. 63 is our 65 EMA. That's where we're going, all the way down to 63. Taking a chill pill. There you go. Boom. 76 worked for a few points if you hung out a little bit. But again, it's just a time to be really conservative today. I'm not in a hurry to do any kind of trading. So we relax. But there's your technical. Boom. 15 EMA. 4 points. 3 and 4 points anyway. But again, we're going to be chill. So what do you say you have out, Ken? 73.25? That was the low. We're chilling. Chill a wine, dig that girl. Again, we got a lot of news coming out today. What's gold doing? Gold. No. I'll tell you, for the last month, it's been all gold until a few days ago, and now it's been all ESs. The last like 3 or 4 days, it's just been all the ESs. So what you're saying is the futures course applies to other markets as well. Yeah, I mean, I don't trade Forex, so I don't know. But yes, futures market will teach you how to trade Bitcoin, NQ, MBT, oil, gold, all those things. Yes. We trade sometimes we trade the Bitcoin micro futures. Almost got a nice far from moving average trade this morning, up 5,000 points. Let's look in the ES. Well, here's the gig, okay? You should not be trading ESs. Let's talk about this. Okay. The ATR is 11 points. So you should not be trading the ESs. you should be trading the MESs. 4 MES contracts with an 8-point stop because it's that volatile. So I would not be trading the ESs today. You know, think about it. ES, if we have one contract and we're going to go by the ATR, we're risking $500 per contract. Not doing it. We had a big conversation about this yesterday. It's all laid out in the course. When to change from the minis to the micros. Scotty did a phenomenal job laying that all out for everybody. We go over all the rules. It's right there. It's perfect. So MES, okay, doing 4 contracts, which is, what is that? $20 a point? Is that what 4-pound contracts is? $20 a point? $25 a point. I'm talking about the MES. If we're doing 4 contracts, it's $25 a point, so we're risking like $200, right? Maximum. $20 a point, 8 points. So even if you risk 10 points, $20 a point, 10 points, we're risking $200 maximum. So do not trade the ESs today unless it calms down. Course is a one-time payment, absolutely. If you only want the trading room, guys and girls, it's $299 a month and it includes the boot camp, but you're not getting any of the courses. So, not getting any of the courses. Here's my suggestion. Buy the futures course for $300. Okay? Come to Slow Markets with us every Tuesday and Thursday night. Okay? Then if you want to join the private trading room, it's $299 a month, and it will include that boot camp. Cancel, yeah, we don't auto charge anybody for the room, no. Can't come in for 1 month and cancel it. Absolutely. But again, you won't have the hard copy of the course, which I think is mega, mega important. If you're interested in just the trading room, just send me an email, okay? Because there's a little interview process. But again, grab the course for the $300. Trade with us for 7 hours on Tuesday and Thursday nights. That's enough, really. Unless you want to sit with us all day, every day in the trading room. That's a different story and ski. Greg, I'm going to talk to all my boot camp people at the end of the week about what your next move can be. Okay. Gary, we cannot make our course any cheaper than it is, unfortunately. We can't do it. We have people that are paying thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for courses. For the amount that we're giving you for $300 is, I will put us up against anyone in this industry. You will not find something like that anywhere. You become part of our family. You're with us every day if you choose to be. It's just, it's insane. That's why our prices are going up next week. We have people telling us that you got to charge more. And if you were with us for any amount of time, you would see that. Anyway, let's talk about trading. You guys don't do. Let's talk about trading. We got nothing to do right now. All right, so we got our ESs down at 63. That is our all the way down at 64 now. That's up 65 EMA. We'll relax down there for a bit. You think it's all because the guy said now there's a 50% chance that they're lowering rates next month? I still think they're lowering rates. Gold, someone mentioned gold. Let's take a look. So you can see, guys and gals, we're concentrating on gold and on ES. I got nothing in gold right now, unless we make a significant move from here. Yeah, Greg, you're in the private trading room right now. That's where we do the boot camp. So you are in it right now. Yes, 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 yes. $730 was not churn and burn. $945 will be churn and burn. There's the link for the course again, guys and girls. It brings you right to the website. 65.60 is at 38. Gold you got, Scotty? 65.60. No, you're putting gold, but I think you mean ES. Right? I think you mean ES. 65.60. All right. I'm okay where we are for now, 64. I mean, it's down 24 points from 22 points from here. I don't even think we're going to get there. So whatever. We'll take a chill pill. Most people on YouTube, guys, thought we were starting at 8:30, so there's really not many people here yet. I'm with you, Scotty. Oh my God, it has been crazy. Monthly expiration, that could mean more volatility. It could mean just more volume. Do we like a double top, guys, in the MESs, ESs? Up at 96, I say yes. It fits our trading criteria. 65.96, everything seems to have calmed down a little bit, so you can trade. That would be a short, yes. Anytime we're looking something going up, we're looking for places to short, and anytime we're looking something come down, we're looking for places to buy. So bottom line is, you got in on a 9 EMA at that 77 level, you're up 10 points on that right now. Boom. That's why if you had 4 MESs, you take one for a couple of points, take one for 4 points, take one for 6 points, take one for 10 points, and you're done. And you're still making a bunch of money. Boom, boom, shakalaka. Usually us guys, when we're in the private trading room and we have a decent night in slow markets and we have a decent pre-market, we are just on cruise control for the rest of the day. My goal for the rest of today is to get a churn and burn account done. That's my goal. We got one yesterday. We'll try to get one today. If you're going to open up any Apex accounts, guys, this will always give you the best sale, WSGTA. And YouTube, guys, if you have any questions about anything, of course, my bootcamp people, if you have any questions. How can I join the free trading room? There's no such thing as a free trading room. Oh, you mean like a trial for next week? Yeah, I can do that from everybody before we get out of here, William. Remind me, okay? Remind me, it's early. Yeah, I'll give everybody a trial. All right. Everybody on YouTube, I'll give you a 5-day trial all of next week. Okay. Gary, you signed up for a course. What did you sign up for, my friend? Okay, I don't see it coming through yet. Give it a couple of minutes. Once you have the course, I don't see it yet. Now give it a few minutes. Once you have the course and it's paid for, you will automatically be able to go right into your course. Limitless, you signed up last week, then you should be all set with your course. And if you signed up last week, Limitless, you can join us every Tuesday and Thursday night in your resources. There is a link for slow markets. In your resources, there is a link for our Thursday night mentorship meetings. Did you come last night, Limit? If you signed up for the course, you should have been with us last night. We were here for almost 2.5 hours last night. That's also included, guys and girls, in any course that you buy. Our weekly mentorship meetings every Thursday night at 5 o'clock. Last night, we had almost 170 people in there. We answer any questions that everybody have. That's also included in any course that you buy. Our Thursday night mentorship meetings. It was spectacular last night. We had a bunch of new people. So that's included if you buy any of our courses. So Gary, I'm still waiting. I haven't seen anything yet. And Limitless, in your resource center, make sure you're with us on those Thursday night mentorship meetings and the Tuesday and Thursday night slow markets. All right, guys and girls, do we still like a double top? That is the question. Where can I find the resources in my course? Scotty, you here? Do you have a link to that?
Yeah, you want me to put it on YouTube?
No, can we private message Limitless? Yeah, I can.
I can't. You have to do that.
Yeah. I'm trying. Private message it to me, and then I'll private message it to Limitless.
I can give it to you in Zoom. You can give it to him on YouTube. Fair.
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool.
All right, guys, we like to double top, but only for another couple of minutes here. I'm going to send you where to find it. All right, Limit. Give me 2 minutes. Yeah, we're only giving the double top another minute or two here. If you blow a PA account, does it revert to an eval? No, you have to start over again, Victor. If you blow a PA, it's gone. Got to start over again. Don't be blowing PAs. Here's the gig. Okay. Again, we're going to have like a $200 maximum risk per trade today. And you can see the ESs have calmed down to a 6.5 point ATR now. So we're calming down a little bit, but I still want to be on the MESs. Anything over 5, I want to be on the MESs. All right, here's the question. What do we got above here? If we don't hit this 96 on this pop. That's it. I'm canceling. Why am I canceling, guys and girls? Because we just came close and didn't hit it. We got to 95, right? So check it out, man. If we just would have hit 96, there's our 3 points in 2 seconds. We missed it by 1 point. Stink on ice. Where are you, Limitless? I can't private message Limitless. Why can't I private message in YouTube? I don't know how to do it. Paste. Actually, I can post this in YouTube, Scotty, because it's not going to do anyone any good unless they have the course, right?
Yeah, no, they'll get an error message that says you have to be logged in. It's protected content. You can post it.
There you go, Limitless. That's where you'll find your all the login information for our Tuesdays and Thursday nights. Okay. So, guys, the double top would have worked. It pulled back 3 points. Then it just blew above it. So let's see what we got on the sell side now. If we got anything on the going up here now. I mean, we have 66.31, but let's check the time frames here and see if we have anything in between. 30-minute is 66.22. Okay. At least we got something. 1 hour. There we go. 66.11 is our 30-minute 1 hour. Like that, guys. 66.11, 66.22. 4 hour, 66.13. So we got a couple of things, 66.11 to 66.11 to 66.13. So we're going to put out 66.12. That would also be a far from moving average trade. We're damn close to it. So guys and girls, when we talked about this a bunch of times, when we don't have any resistance on a 5-minute chart, okay, we got to change time frames. So once I got to my 30-minute chart, it shows me 66.15. On my 1 hour chart, it shows me 66.11. On my 4 hour chart, it shows me 66.12. So that's why we're putting an order out there at 66.12, because we have some technical analysis up there that tells us it's going to be a resistance level. Okay, now buy side, what are we doing? What are we doing? 83 is the actual 9 EMA. 77 is the 15 EMA. 77 would be down 16 points, so let's come up to that. Trend early. It's both a trend trade and a regular moving average trade, so that's why I like it. 77. Boom, chakalaka. Okay, so we sit. What's up, Paul? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We don't trade when trade don't go where we want it out, then because we only want it on the time we want it because lock at what it did. Yeah, William. Yes. So we had the double top up. Okay. The first time, whatever it was. And it missed it by a point. We didn't do it. If we would have got it here at 96, it pulled back our 3 points for the profit. Boom. But we missed it. So when we miss something by a little bit, we cancel. So this time when it hit 96, it went 3 points against us, which wouldn't have been a stop out at all. And you would have made 2 to 3 points on it. So, should I have not? I guess I shouldn't have canceled it. But when something comes close to one of our orders, we're always going to cancel. Is the trade going to work? Yeah, that one worked anyway, but it's just our rules. Them's the rules. We're going to miss trades. We are trading futures for the most part, Constantine. These are the S&P 500 futures. That is what we're trading right now. We trade gold futures. We trade oil futures. And we trade stocks also. So if you guys have any stock questions, please feel free. Pop them up there. Well, as a matter of fact, let's go around the horn while we're not doing anything and look at some stocks, right? BMNR, I started a swing trade yesterday. I started at 27.50. I bought more at 26. I bought more at 25. My average is right around where we are now, 26, maybe a little bit lower, but not financial advice for anybody. Everything has bounced significantly off their lows this morning. I'll tell you that. Every single thing that we're looking at. Boom. Look at this, guys. I had a long-term marker out in CRWV at $68. We hit it this morning. We're up $3.50 from here. So that was a spot I wanted to do a swing trade, but I wasn't paying attention. That would have been nice. Every stock is up and to the right from this morning. Every single one. Again, we were severely oversold. Look at the Mr. Up 8 points. Mr. I want to start a swing trade. Well, actually, I'll never start a swing trade with this. I hate this company. I hate the guy. But there's a nice level around 148. But that was all saved this morning by one tweak. All right, we're coming in a little bit here, guys and girls. So 77 is the trend. We're going to try that. If we smack down right now, that'll be down 22 points and hit our trend line. And again, we want that fast, right? If we don't get to the 77 fast, then our next level is telling us 69. So all these charts, guys and girls, when you join our family, it's one button to set all this up. And you have all this information up here. And we walk you through how to do it. Yeah, I did. I like the 15 EMA right now if we can still get there. Well, if we take our time and don't hit the 15 in short order, we will go down to the 30 EMA. Ken's got 74 fib backing up the 15 EMA. Okay, cool. Good. So if we want, we can do a little bit at 77 and 74. But meanwhile, what we get down to? We got down to 80. So kind of missed that by 3 points. Not close enough. We'll still leave it now. Still a 10-point move down. We're good. Jason, what platform? Okay. So a couple of things here. This is Thinkorswim. I only use Thinkorswim for chart. I have learned so much, and I've only been here like 4 times. We're glad to hear that, William. Glad to hear that. Take the jump. Join the family. You won't be sorry. But that's why we're here on YouTube. We want to help out as many people as we possibly can. So it's all good. Okay, so Thinkorswim I only use for charting. It does not cost anything to open up a Thinkorswim account if you are in the United States. You can get lifetime trading without putting any money in. Interactive Brokers. This is the account that I use to trade my stocks and the micro contracts in the futures, just to show everybody what we're doing. And I have skin in every single trade that I do. Okay. So this is my charting. This is my Interactive Brokers trading account. I have $26,600 in that account. And then for actually trading the futures, I am using Apex Trader Funding, and my platform is Tradeovate. So let me put an order out down here at 77. I forgot about it. Okay. So Apex Trader Funding, and I'm doing that through Tradeovate. I'm with you. Let's go down to 74. Ken's
News speech.
level. News speech. Who's speaking? Who's speaking? I'm canceling everything.
Fed's bar.
Yeah, Barr is speaking from the Fed. I don't want to have anything out. Let's chill it out. We already made a couple of bucks this morning. So looks like I'm in due. You see it on your side. What does all that mean? Alfred, if you're brand new to us, this probably sounds a little like learning a foreign language, which it is. But, you know, we're traders. We are day traders. Everything that we do is based on the technical analysis, the lines that we have in our charts. That's what tells us where we might possibly buy something or sell something, whether it's a stop or a future. We look for support and resistance levels. And we teach you how to do all this stuff. And we hold your hand through the whole process. And we have just an incredible, incredible family. So I would say if you're not interested in joining us and, you know, digging in for $300 to buy a course, come every Monday and Friday and learn as much as you can. Gary, what kind of issue are you having? Because I can tell you that nothing has gone through yet as far as buying a course. Zero. So tell me what issue you're having here. You know what you do, Gary? I don't see it being signed up. If you're having any problem, you have access? How do you have access? I don't see the course going through. When did you buy it? Huh. Yeah, I got nothing going through. Oh, I think I know why. Okay. Yep. I think I know why. Give me a minute. I know why. I'll figure it out. All good. Okay. Good morning, Diddy. Looking to how much do I have to trade daily to be able to make $1,000 to $2,000 a day? Great question, Alfred. At the beginning, as a beginning trader, if you're trading futures or stocks, it's going to take a very long time to make $1,000 to $2,000 a day. It'll be easier to do trading futures, but there's a lot of steps that you have to go through to get to that point where you can start taking money from them. The good thing about trading futures is right now you can open up an account with Apex for $37, and that's the most you can lose. Then you got to go through a bunch of steps before you can start taking money from them. But that is the best way to learn how to trade without costing you a lot of money. It costs basically nothing. So we never tell anybody or promise anybody how much money they're going to make ever. We don't talk about money. Reason we had a losing day yesterday is because we kept talking about how great we are. So we don't talk about that anymore. We never talk about money anymore. We might say, yes, we made money 47 out of 49 days, but we never talk about money. Ever. It's a kiss of death. Again, it depends on what kind of account you have, Alfred. You trading stocks, you trading futures. Depends. Apex is just to trade futures, Gary. Okay. Interactive Brokers, you can trade stocks, futures, options, all that stuff. But if you're trading futures with Interactive Brokers, you have to have a minimum of $50,000 in that account just to trade one contract in gold or one contract in the ESs. Again, most people don't have that, so that's why we open up an Apex account for $37. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. So, and again, guys and girls here, start sending me emails, okay? Nobody advances you money. Start sending emails, guys, and I will get you into the trading room next week, and we will go over every one of these questions for you. No, they give you $50,000 in simulated money to trade with. Why is there an error? Why can't I send a message now? Error, try again. All right, guys, give me a couple minutes. No orders. I'm taking a break for a couple minutes. I'll answer all your questions, guys.
Please. Hey guys, there's no, give me a 1 if you hear me. I'm on the subway. Hey, what's that? How was it?
Hey, Peter.
Go ahead, Pete. It's
Happy
all you.
Friday.
Hey guys,
We are
I'm
doing
on the subway.
nothing.
I'm on the subway today because the West Side Highway is screwed up, so I'm going to try
He's
and
on
talk
the
as much as
subway.
possible. Okay, everybody, I love you. It's Friday, right? We got a lot going on here. So obviously, yesterday was a complete cluster because after the market opened up and NVIDIA earnings were so spectacular across the board, even data centers, which are the weak part of the last earnings report, we opened up, markets roaring, 100 handles, right? It didn't do what everyone thought it was going to do, like Palantir, because it had been sold off. That when you rise up into the earnings, it goes down when it, or at least if it sells off and goes.
Pete, wait till you get off the subway. No one can hear you and you're muted. All right, everybody, YouTube, and we got no orders. I'm taking a break for a few minutes, making a coffee. Be right back. Pete, wait till you get off the subway. We can't hear you.
Gotcha, Davey. Okay, baby.
Yeah, coming back in a few minutes. We're all good. He's the best. All right, guys, we got nothing. Everybody take a chill pill. I'm making a coffee. Back in a few minutes. Oh, we do like, guys, on the short. If we want to be real, you can keep, 66.14. That would give us a fall from moving average trade, and it's up 20 points from here. So we'll put one out up there. 66.14 short MES. It's peanut butter coffee time. Be right back.
news, speech,
Ladies and gents, there is absolutely nothing going on. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. We got no orders out right now. I'm just cleaning up a couple of emails. I will be back. To everybody on YouTube, stick around, okay? We are going to invite you to our private trading room next week. All right? We're going to give away a few accounts. And I'm telling you right now, guys and girls, you're very, very silly if you do not send me an email and come hang out in our trading room next week. Now, I only have room for so many people, and nobody has sent me a request yet. I'm not going to twist anyone's arm, but you want a free week with us to learn how to trade futures? You're extremely silly if you do not do this. That is my email. And like I said, space is extremely limited. So I would jump on that if you want to. You can hang out with us for an entire week. All right. So I'm just going to fill up my coffee and we'll be back in a few minutes. It is Take It Easy Friday, guys and girls. All my boot campers, this has been a spectacular week of learning, right? Give me some ones, guys, in my boot campers. My boot campers, if this has been a really good learning week. It has been spectacular. Just great. We're not done. My boot campers, today we have let me make sure you got the right email over there. Okay, there's the proper email, guys and girls. That's a good question, Ken. I'm going to leave it up to you and Kevin. I don't want you guys to be here all day, so I don't mind starting earlier. So you tell me. We have Fibonacci's today from Ken and advanced options from Kevin today, guys and girls. So huge day again, especially Fibonacci's. Ken's had 7. How many trades this morning, Ken? Momos and whatever? A bunch. Ken's had 7 trades. Boom. Okay. 10:30 to 11-ish. You want to start that early? I'm okay. The market's going to be dead. I can tell you that. Got you, Greg. All right, let's do this. This is what we'll do. I say we'll take our break 10:45 or so. And when we get back, yeah, we'll start like 11:15. So you guys don't have to be here all day. Ken, you want to go first? Then when you finish, we'll take a little break for lunch. And then Kevin will do afternoon. Yeah, that's what we'll do. All right, so boot campers, we're going to start the teaching early. Okay. This is Friday. Still been a green week for everybody. Got you, William. Got you, guys. What's a nightmare? Unimerch. Look at the market's doing right now, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely nothing. We had our big move early. Now we're doing squadoosh. Squad dooshy wooshy dooshy. Deadsville. It'll work out with Kev. Yeah, good. Perfect. All right. Ken will go at 11. Then we'll grab lunch, and Kevin will go after that. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Be back in a couple of minutes, guys and girls. No orders. All right, everybody. Now you guys are getting it. I got like 25 people now that'll be in our room with us next week. Boom, chakalaka laka. A couple of you have bought our course, so thank you very much for becoming part of our family. By the way, guys and girls, okay, we have a money back guarantee also. So if you don't like our course, in 30 days, we give you your money back on top of everything else. There is the link for the course. Okay, as little as 299 bucks. Boom, chakalaka. All right, anybody have any questions? YouTubers, anybody have any orders out? We are kind of dead right now. I can tell you that right now. We have slowed down to a dull roar. Absolutely nothingness is going on right now. So where am I getting 66.14 from? Let's take a look. Why do I have an order out to sell it at 66.14? When if I look at my 5-minute chart, my next pivot point all the way up here is 66.31. Why? Well, when we have a big gap on a chart, guys and girls, that's when we're going to change time frames to see if we have any other resistance on the way up, right? Because we have a gap of 40 points now. So this is when we change time frames. Let's go to a 15-minute chart. Nothing. My 200 EMA is the same as my pivot point. Let's go to a 30-minute chart. Okay, on my 30-minute chart, we have 66.14. Ooh, where is my order, guys? 66.14, because that is my resistance on a 30-minute chart. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. And we have 66.11, which is what Frankie just posted up there, right? 66.11. So we got 66.11 and 66.14. I don't have to go any further than that because that would be up 9 and 15 points. Actually, it'll be up 23 points from where we are right now. So what I'll do is small in the MESs, okay? 66.11, that is my first resistance. And 66.14, I'll do 1 and 2 because I'm only doing the MESs. And everybody, if you're trading today, should only be doing the MESs. Okay, that is it. The ATR is 10 points. So MESs, 4 of them with an 8-point stop. That's what we are trading in the futures. Guys, we lay this all out for you. When the ATR gets extended like this, which means every one of these candlesticks is averaging a 9-point move, I cannot have my regular 4-point stop in the minis. I have to go to micros and have an 8-point stop on 4 contracts. $200 risk maximum. Okay. I have a question on the Momo trades and how to execute them. Okay, Yay. If we see one set up, we'll go over it. Okay. If not, I think you're a course member every Thursday night. Boom, chakalaka. Come in and ask those questions. We had like 100 questions last night. It was spectacular. Spectacular. Worth the price of admission alone. You got it, my friend. Okay, downside. If we spike down from here in the ESs, what do we like? And we're going to be conservative for the opening. We always are. The trend is at 65.84. That is my 15 EMA. Next support level is my 30 EMA at 65.76. That's down 12 points from here. We're looking for at least a 10-point move to hit one of our moving averages before we consider getting into a trade in the futures. All right. And then, morning Vish, my 65 EMA, and it tells me right here, this is the beautiful thing, is 65.70. So I definitely like that. That's ultra conservative on the opening. It will be down 18 points from here. So we'll put that out also. This is what we spend our day doing, guys and girls. Looking for levels where we might make trades. We put our orders out. If it gets to those levels, we get in trades. If it comes close to a level and doesn't hit us, we cancel. Okay? The faster it gets to one of our levels, the better the odds are going to be of that trade working. And this is what we do all day. Someone mentioned gold. Let's go look at gold. Okay, where are we? All right, we're stretching up a little in gold. So we have a couple of things here going on in gold. I think I like the gold short. That's what William said. Okay, but where, right? Where, and why? So we have our previous week close at 84, 40, 84, 40. That would be up only 9 points from here. I ain't crazy about it. I want a little bit more moving that in gold, especially since the ATR is almost 6. So let's see if we have anything above that. Well, we got 41.09. Love that. That would be up 30 points, right? 30 points. But let's see if we have anything in between. 15-minute chart. No. 30-minute chart. No. 1-hour chart. Ooh, 1-hour chart. Check this out. It was 40.81. on a 1 hour chart. And we missed that by 30 cents. So I wouldn't like that anymore. But if we would have got to that 40.81, it just paid you 3-4 points off that. Didn't even know we had it there. 4 hour chart. We got 40.82. So 40.81, 40.82, you know, that's where our only resistance we really have are. So I would look if we can get above 40.81, 40.82. You know, this thing could be off to the races. Buy side. We got 40.66. That's down 12 points from here. I'd like to be a little more conservative on the opening. And we got 40.58. So gold will definitely put out at 40.58. And again, we are always more conservative on the opening. 40.58 would be down 20 points. More than fits our criteria. And guys, we teach you how to do all this. Even if you don't know anything about it, now that you're seeing our charts and we're laying out where we're putting our orders, you should understand a little bit more about what we're talking about here, right? It's not hard. It just takes time. That's all. It's not hard. It just takes time. So I'm not crazy about anything on the sell side. We want to be long. ESs, we're going to be very patient, see if we can get a big pullback on the opening. Otherwise, we're not doing anything unless it hits one of those levels on our charts. Target is still 2 points and 5 points, even with the bigger stop ad. That is correct. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And if anyone has anything, guys, private trading room, boot camp, if anyone has anything other than what we have out here, please let me know. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Gold is working towards a far from moving average trade. Let's take a look. Yep, we're on a 73 RSI. Yeah, kind of flatlining now. So when we talk about far from moving average trade, guys, we want this to get at least to an 80 RSI. And even with that, we want it as fast as possible to get to an 80 RSI. Double top at 40.89 from where? Going back and looking. Where do we got 40.89? 6 o'clock last night, we got 40.89. Yeah. What do you think of that? Up 9 points from here. You want to throw one out? All right, let's do it small. That is a double top. 40.89. Yep. That's up 7 points from here, and it'll be straight up 11 points from where we just were. Let's give it a crack if we do it now. 40.89. I see so much potential in trading futures. I would love to make a look. You know what? That's it, MSG, man. You know what's great about the trading with us in futures? Even if you have a full-time job, a lot of our people, okay, have full-time jobs, and now they're joining us on Tuesdays and Thursday nights at 6 o'clock and putting a couple of banana skins in the bank. And again, we do have losing trades and losing days. I don't want anyone to think that this is an easy thing to do. It takes time, it takes work, but it's certainly something that you can figure out how to do. Got to have the course. You got to have patience, got to have discipline, got to learn all the techniques, got to learn all the mental aspect of this game. So there's a lot to it, but you know, you certainly can do it. No question about that. All right, let me get some orders out in my Apex accounts. I'm going to copy the orders. Oh, God, guys, 9:45, we're churning and burning, right? Someone please remind me. Duh. I almost forgot. We'll show you guys how we churn and burn also. Yep, let me get my 5-minute orb up. We also do opening range breakout trades, guys and girls. You'll see us do that when the market opens. $65, $70. Okay, got my orders out there. Gold, where are we? 40.58, 40.89. Okay, let's do that small. God, I feel like we've been here all day already. I'll explain the orb in a couple minutes, guys and girls. Let me just get these orders out. Get all set here. Okay, a couple of orders. All right, I'm all set on my Apex accounts. Cool beans. Okay. Tuesday and Thursday night is in our private trading room if you own any of the course. All right, orders are all good for the opening. Let's make sure our 5-minute opening range breakout is set, guys. We teach you how to do the orb strategy also, 9:30, 5-minute, good. What's going to happen at 9:30, guys, a little box is going to start to form. That is going to be our opening range breakout. What we look for is a break above that 5-minute range to get long or a break below that 5-minute range to get short. We'll see if it sets up at 9:30. We don't have a lot of time this morning because we want to do our churn and burn at 9:44 also. So I don't care if we miss some trades this morning. Everybody just take a chill pill and relax. We could have a crap load of volatility as we did yesterday. We are on the micros, guys. Micros in anything that we were doing. Everybody in the trading room understand that? Everybody in YouTube who is trading understand that? We are on micros. Let's see, Sham. On Trade-Evade, I get confused on limit order settings. I took the futures lesson, but it's what is the stop loss for type 1 target and break even on auto stop? Good question, Sham. Can't go into that, all that right now, but are you a course member? Shambla? If you are, just get in there on a Tuesday night and we will walk you through all that stuff. Any Tuesday, any Thursday. Okay? Yeah. Not only do we trade Tuesdays and Thursday nights, we are teaching. Scotty is unbelievably generous with his time on those Tuesdays and Thursday nights. So if you are a course member, get yourselves into that, please. Okay, so gold, we're good, down 17 points. We're good. Double top, up 14 points. ESs, we are good, down to 58. Where are we? What? 70. Yep, we're good down at 70. That is our VWAP and our 65 EMA. That's down 16 points. Beautiful. Where do you find the schedule when you guys go to Zoom? Where do you, in your course, in your resource center, Martin? It has slow markets and it has the link for Thursday night mentorship. Okay, Martin? Yep, course resource center. Gives you the links for those. Yes. All right, guys, we got like 30 of you people now. I don't mean to say you people. We got like 30 people requesting the trading room next week. Good, beautiful. You will not be sorry about that. We're going to have a great time and teach you a shitload. You're just joining us. That's where you want to send me an email to get into the trading room next week. We'll give away some accounts before we get out of here today. Trade-Evade via TradingView is a balach. I have to manually enter stops after I profit. Is that true, Scotty? Using Trade-Evade via TradingView, you can't do bracket orders? Yeah, it sounds fishy to me too, Pete. Let us check it out. In Gary, look for slow markets link. You'll see the Thursday night, but then you'll see a slow markets link also for Tuesdays and Thursday nights in that resource center. And guys, anyone who has the course, okay? If you have any questions ever about where to find something, send Roman an email and he will hook you up immediately, okay? Roman, I can't find this. Roman, I can't find that. He will set you up immediately. Gabishi? Gabishi. What a rally in Bitcoin. Crazy. Well, we would do 5,000 points off the lows, guys. Crazy. Crazy, man. I don't see any stocks worth trading. Everything this morning was the time to jump into these things. Let's look at the SPYs though. We're back at 655. Let's see where that puts us daily, weekly, monthly. 655. First resistance is up at like 661. So that doesn't help much. That's a daily chart. This was support. Now it's resistance at 661. Weekly, our first resistance. Here we go. This isn't far away. 657. Where are we right now? Yeah, I mean, we want to get above. If we go to the daily chart, guys, and the weekly chart, this trend line was 656.70. That was our trend that we had not broken for 6 months. We broke it yesterday. So if we can reclaim 657, then we're back above our trend lines. That would be positive. And we're not that far away. We're a point away. So let's see if we can reclaim in the spiders that 657. If we do, the ESs are just going up from here. 100%. So let's see what happens. Got our orders out. Take a chill pill. We still got 20 minutes. We do not have a Black Friday sale. As a matter of fact, our courses are all getting more expensive next week. Yeah. We can't make them any cheaper than they are, Peak. I just can't. I mean, it's $300. You know, there's the link if you want to grab the course. It's $300 and we have a payment plan. I think you can get it for like $30 a month or something ridiculous. Just think about this for the minute, guys, and I'm not going to talk about this again. We're going to trade. It costs you $300 to buy our course. You have 7 hours of videos. 7 hours of videos. Okay? You have psychology for an hour and a half. You have Fibonacci's for an hour and a half. You have how to open up an account with Apex. You have all the rules for opening an account in Apex. How do I get funded? How do I do this? You have all the technical analysis that we use. You have Thursday night mentorship. And you have Tuesday night and Thursday night slow markets for 7 hours a week. I don't know what else we can do. I don't know what else we can do. I feel like everyone is going to get in longs here because of all the data. Zeke, I am only getting into longs if it sets up on one of my trading criteria. I don't have a bias right now, long or short. I never have a bias, long or short. I don't feel like I should be long or I don't feel like I should be short. I'm looking at my charts, and my chart is telling me in ES, okay, that if it spikes down 18 points from here, I want to be long. And if it goes up 21 points from here, I want to be short. That is my technical analysis, okay? I have no feelings, thoughts, could care less. But that's when my orders are. If that happens, I'm getting into a trade. In gold, same thing. I have a double top out if we got to that 89, and I have a bid all the way down here. Matter of fact, we're going to move it up a little bit now because our 30 EMA moved up to 61 now. So now I'm going to change. That's down 13 points from here. As a matter of fact, for the opening, guys and girls, maybe we'll go to 54, down 20 points. You know what I mean? Why are we going to be in a hurry? So, you know what? I'll leave one on my 30 EMA, which has now changed to 40.61. That's down 13 points from here. That's fine. So all I am doing is going by my technical analysis to try to put the trades, if we get in them, the odds in my favor of the trade working. That's it. That's it. I can tell you for the last couple of months, we're between 70 and 80%. The $300 is not monthly, guys and girls. That is a one-time fee. You never have to give us another dime, ever, for the course. Ever, ever, ever. So that's insane. Again, there's the link for that. Roman's email right here, Lewis. WSGTA.com@gmail.com. That is Roman. If you have any problems with anything. All right, I'm going to fill up my coffee Olay. We are taking a chill pill unless we get hit in something here. I don't see anything else to do. It is Take It Easy Friday, guys and girls. Ed, tell me about it. Well, let me ask you this, guys and girls. Has anyone in either YouTube or our private trading room boot camp have paid money for a course? And if so, how much? Pop some numbers in here, guys. How much have people spent trying to learn how to do this? How much? Give me some numbers. We have people who have come to us that spent $25,000 in online trading academy and got absolutely nothing out of it. Yeah, Emmy has spent $22,000, guys. Andy, $2,000. MDTL, $2,500. $5,000. $7,000. $300, guys? Come on. Over $2,000 and it was worthless. $9,000. Yep. $8,000. $5,000. I feel so lucky to have met you in the Boca Summit. Thank you, Sabrina. $12,000. $18,000 from Danny. Insane. Insane, insane, insane. Yes, and then you keep getting charged, right? Crazy. $300 one time, you'll never give us another time. I'm on the boot camp. I paid $500 so far, and the best, cheapest investment meant and definitely worth it. Wish I knew about this course way before. There you go. $500. That's the most someone has spent with us that I've seen. I lost over 200 grand trading. You're not alone, Diddy. You're not alone. This is not an easy thing to do. Let's just get that out there again. Takes time. And again, guys, we don't blow smoke up anyone's puppet. You know, you got to learn. You got to put the work in. We have some stories that are unbelievable of people who started opening accounts with $50 or $100, and they're taking money from these people, getting payouts every other week. That's what the future's. Is the video library included on the basic trading? Yes, any course that you buy, guys and girls, okay? Includes all our archives. I haven't mentioned this before. It includes over 300 hours of archives. Every meeting we've ever had on Thursday night is in your archive section. That's another thing I forgot. It also, I forgot this, you get our be part of our Twitter sphere, where we post out anytime we do swing trades or options trades. That's also included. I can't include anymore. I'm getting tired. And I'll tell you this, and anyone who's in my private trading room, because I show my P&Ls, I make much more money trading than I do selling these courses. When we sell a course for $300, I get about $12. We have a ton of overhead and we take care of a lot of people. So at least anyone think I'm making my money with these courses. Not happening. You're long at 73 right here, JR? It's 90 MA. I'm being patient, man. Yeah, the archives are spectacular. They're great. I am not doing anything on the open. Nothing. Is Scotty here? Yes, Scotty's here. I've truly learned a lot in the past few weeks from WSGTA. Thank you, Jaeger. JR, you popped it up there a little too late, but see what happens at 73. You're already making a point and a half. So, guys, we are just ultra conservative. Oh, I'm on gold. Oh, hold on. Yeah, you've gone. Yeah, all right, let's look at 73. Oh, we got to come up to 73. Yes, everything changed. Okay, let's come up. We're coming up to 73. Sorry about that. Thank you, JR. So our moving averages are changing. We change with the moving averages. Still down 12 points from here. We like that on the opening. And again, guys and girls, please, MESs, minimum risk today, okay? It's Friday. Thank you, Limit. We try. I guess Pete didn't get off the subway yet. I am trading with Tradeovate, Martin, not Ninja. Tradeovate is my platform for the futures accounts. Tradeovate, Tradeovate, Tradeovate. Tradeovate, Tradeovate, Tradeovate. But Ninja is great. I like Ninja because you can change your moving averages and attach it to it. All right, I got to cancel all my orders here too because I don't even know what I have out anymore. Just worry about that if things set up. Oh, So see if we get this smack-a-dack on the opening. And the MESs and the ESs, and just take a chill pill. And I'm going to go fill up my coffee. Also, guys and girls, Top Step is fine, Martin. We do not tell you where to open up your futures accounts. Our preferred is Apex. We always have the best discount code for Apex, but you can trade on any futures prop firm that you want and still be with us. All good. Yeah, 9:45 is churn and burn. So 9:44 in 30 seconds. We will look churn and burn. Okay, orders are good. Let me just check gold. Do we care? Oh, gold's coming in here, guys. I still like gold off the opening. It's still down 10 points from here. Again, everything very small. No, you're okay. Funded next. It's fine, Zeke. All our technical analysis is the same no matter what platform you're trading on. All of it. So I'll be back in 2 minutes. What we're going to do, guys, at 9:40, 10 minutes after the market opens, we're canceling all our orders and getting ready for churn and burn. Okay. So we want where we're bidding to hit us quickly if we're going to get hit. Can someone DM me with the section of the archives, MD? Send an email to Roman. He'll hook you up. And be a little patient, but he'll hook you up. Also, guys and girls, anyone who has the course, show up on those Thursday nights and we walk you through how to do that. Churn and burn, Gary, is on Apex. When we're going to try to qualify an account in 1 day by making $3,000 in one account. We'll walk you through what we're going to do with that in a few minutes. I'm just going to fill my coffee. I'll be right back. You've gold another minute or two here, guys. If it doesn't hit in the next minute or two, we're going to go down to 54. Okay, so just give that another minute. All right, I'll be right back, guys and girls, but we're changing our gold down to 54. Being patient all the way down on the 53. All the way down there are 200, or 65, and a VWAP. Do we want to keep the 73 in the ESs, or we want to go even lower than that? What do you guys think? Let's go 70. I like that. I like 70 better. That's the VWAP. And it's still down 12 points from here. We'll do it small. 70, 70, 70. Again, only MESs today, guys and girls. That's down 12 points. Good. All right, I'll be right back.
I'm in here.
I'm gonna put this under our desk. It's empty. It's good for storage someday.
Okay. Take it down and put it in the bed. There's one down in the basement that will probably fit on. I like the headphones. They're nice because I can do this and listen to them. You don't hear it. I walk outside and listen to it.
I get tired of hearing them.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
All right, so let's see what the cat drags in, guys and girls. We still like everything we got out. Yeah, I still like everything we got out. Give everything a couple minutes here. Relax. We only got like 10 minutes to trade. Greg, what you should be doing is following our trades now. Link for the course to buy the course is right here, guys and girls. Oh. Everybody, we are trading MESs. We are in micros, micro. I am not risking a lot of money today. We got back a bunch last night. A couple of good trades this morning with Ken. We are taking a chill pill. But plus, we got all this stuff coming out at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Yes, churn and burn is the ES, guys. 10 contracts. Buy, sell, 6.25 points up, 6.25 points down. Boom, chakalaka laka. In the groove, in the groove, let them open. Open the door, let them in. Yeah. 5 seconds to Wapna. Whoop, whoop. And there you see our 5-minute orb starting to form. About 9:35, we start looking at that. Stop loss depends on which one we're trading. And spiky dikey in the MESs, ESs. Wow. Ooh, my trade evade is stuck. 66.10 short. Okay, we'll lower it. That is a Fibonacci, guys and girls. Mm-hmm. 66.04. All right, we're all over the place here, guys and girls. So just take a chill pill early. We are in no hurry. In the groove, wah, wah. In the groove. Let's see if we can spike down to 70 on this Nick Papadopoulos. I don't know, the 9 points. We will try that. 71.50. All right, let's come up. Okay, how many trades we missed yesterday, right? Bum, 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 bum. 9:35, we'll be looking for a breakup or breakdown in the orb. And then we got about 5 minutes and we got to cancel everything and get ready for turn and burn. So we are not in a hurry, guys and girls. Something sets up, it sets up. Passed your eval. Way to go. Nice job, Deidre. Boom, chakalaka laka. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now, we might not get a whole bunch of action right now before, these numbers come out. Kind of muted. We'll see. All our orders, we're giving another 8 minutes and then we're canceling everything. Oh. No. I want you tonight. We're not worthy. Yeah, I don't know how much time we're going to have to trade the orb. We have a hard stop on every single trade that we do. Yes, we are trading micros today. So we'll have an 8-point stop in the ESs. Again, we're kind of just floating around until all this news comes out. So back and forth, back and forth. We got the PMI coming out at 9:45 and consumer confidence at 10 o'clock. So a couple of numbers coming out. So now it's 9:35. We should be looking to short the top of the orb at 96. Should we, Scotty? We're looking for a breakout above it. I don't know. I mean, 96 is a 12-point move up from here, right? This magic moment. We'll get you straightened out, Greg. Give us a little bit, all right? From the look in your eyes, sweeter than a wine, softer than a baby's butt. We're in the middle of the orb. Oh, I got nothing. Yep. Well, I still like our bid no matter what happens. That's the bottom of the orb. So again, guys, we got another 5 minutes and then we're not trading anymore. So after these numbers come out. So unless we get hit on one of these orders in the next 5 minutes, we're canceling everything. Patience, patience, patience. We are just flopping in nowhere's land. Do I have a favorite EMA? Depends on how far something's moving. So yeah, 200 EMA is usually going to give us the best chance of the odds being in our favor to make a trade if something moves far enough to get there. Twisted my arm. I tried a 96 short first. That's the top of the orb, and we'll be up 14 points to hit it. But I'd want that on this bop up too. Now, the longer we stay in the middle, that could be a better buy above that. So we're in nowhere's land. Nowhere's land. Nothing. 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 Na, 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 na. Gold breaking the orb. Let's look. Yep. Okay. So gold just broke out of the orb at 66 and paid you. Boom. 67. And it went up to 69.80. So that one we missed. That was a 2-point trade. Boom. Anyone get the orb breakout in gold, guys? Someone's got to scream it out when it's happening. Isaiah got it. Sharon got it. Good. In 2 minutes, we're canceling everything. And we'll get ready for churn and burn. And we'll switch to the 15-minute orb. When we get an orb breakout, guys, especially in gold, we're looking for 1 and 2 points just to put a couple of bucks in the bank. That's all we're looking for. 6 minutes to earn and burn. Yes. Pump, pump, pump. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Pump, pump, pump. Da-da-da-da, earn and burn. I want you tonight. How do I have the orb lesson, hating FOMO? We teach you how to do the orb. It's in the course, laid out very nicely. $73-ish on this pop. All right, I'm game. This is the last hurrah before we cancel everything. In the groove, wah wah. In the groove, wah wah. In the groove, wah wah. All right, let's see if we get it right now or never. Take some profits, guys. Why am I so slow? I am too slow. Taking profits. Out, 5-point profit. Oh, no, God, I did it again in ES. Oh my God. How effing freaking bad am I? How bad am I? We got 5 points on that trade, guys. 5 freaking points. And look what I did again in the ES. I went to the wrong freaking thing. Unfreaking believable. Just lost $500. Unfreaking believable. Everybody got a great trade, right? Boom, shakalaka laka. I can't believe I switched that and got crushed again. What the hell did I do? Oh God, I screwed this up so bad. Yeah, cancel everything now, guys and girls. We're gonna go churn and burn. Cancel everything. Everybody got a great trade to start the day. Bottom line. Boom, chakalaka laka. Okay. I put the wrong order in here. All right, let's get ready to churn and burn. Hold on. Let me just clear this out. Okay, hold on. Let me get my churn and burn ready. Okay, getting on
Just
10
watch out, guys.
contracts. On 10 contracts. We are going in 30 seconds. Going to buy 10 in one account and sell 10 in the other account. We are in 492 long, 193 short. Okay, let's see what happens. $69. 68. 74, 80, 50. Sitting in the middle. We need a little more down movement. We're at, that's it, qualified. Boom, on the downside. So we just got a nice PA account. I'm down $400 from making all these freaking errors. Oh my God. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain, guys and girls. Insane. Maybe we'll get a fall from moving average trade. That was our job for today, guys. We just did it. Past 2 evals. There you go. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long, lonely, 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 lonely. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long, lonely, 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 lonely. Trying to wiggle out of this. Go. Go. Just that alone made the course worthwhile, right? Boom, chaka, laka, laka. So everybody see how we did that? Boom. Yes, knowledge is the cherry. Now we take a chill pill. Been a long time, been a long. I got most of my money back. I just had a triple up down there. Crazy. Crazy. Crazy for being. Now we just chill, guys. These technicals don't mean anything now, because who knows if that was a real move, not a real move, whatever. But we did our job. Got one qualified.
Hey David, I qualified the same account, and then of course I pressed the wrong button for the limited order or the same. That's where I went and go past the other one, and then the other one I did market order, and then everything just blew up.
I don't know what happened.
I blew up my
How did you blow anything? We just had one turn and burn, 2 different accounts. One worked and one didn't.
yeah, one did, one didn't work.
Right. So you should have qualified one. Wow, look at that 65 EMA and the 200 EMA at 86. Wow. All right, good, Victor. All good. That was our job for today, guys. Now, if we can pick up a couple of bucks trading, great. So for everybody who in YouTube doesn't understand what we did, okay? Before that number, we got another number coming out at 10 o'clock, guys. So I don't know. I don't have any more accounts to do it in, but we're certainly not going to have any orders out. 10 o'clock is consumer confidence. I think that's a huge number too, but it'll probably work again. I just don't have any more accounts left, and I'm not buying any more. So yeah, 10 o'clock is the Michigan consumer sentiment number. That's big. But again, I'm not doing anything. This is not delayed, baby. This is live in real time. So with Apex, guys, that just cost us $74. Okay. And we have an account qualified to go into a PA account, which we're going to only pay $40 for now. So it costs us $114. And now we have a PA account in Apex. Boom. Done. Now we get that to $53,000 and we can start taking money from them. I don't know. You guys can probably try this again in 9 minutes. Blue Diamond qualified. Boom. The sale they have right now, gold, it's only $40 for lifetime PA. 40 bucks lifetime. So that's what I'm saying. It costs us 120 bucks to get a PA account up and running in 3 minutes. Boom, shakalaka. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long. Now we are not trading till after 10 o'clock, guys and girls, okay? Use that code on Apex. It'll always give you the best sale. So we are on hold till 10 o'clock. Not doing anything. It's 8 minutes away. Do not trade. Unless we spike up to 96. I'm putting one out there. 65, 96, if it happens before the number comes out. Why? That's the top of the orb, and it would be up 30 points to hit that. So there's a chance. Oh, actually, no, I don't. Did I ever change to the 15-minute orb? I don't know if I did, guys. Might be different. I did not. The 15-minute orb we are going to leave up for the rest of the day. But yeah, it's the same thing, 96. Why no trades? Because we have news coming out again. What if you have the 25,000 Apex account? You only need to make 1,500 gold to take out the money. You mean once you get a PA, William? Good question. I never had a $25,000 account. What's the profit go on? Yeah, that's it. But always give yourself more of a cushion, William. If you need 1,500, go to 2,000 before you take any money out, okay? Always give yourself more of a cushion. Always. Don't even look at the NQ, Boozy. Don't even think about trading it. What's the ATR? 100? 63 points. Again, that doesn't mean I won't trade it, but I'd look for at least a 70-point move before I got involved. Next week's trading room for a trial. Send me an email. I tried churn and bird, but with one account. I mean, you got to do a buy stop and a sell stop, George. Take profits, guys, from 96. Boom. Went down 3 points, guys. Out. 3 points. Boom, chakalaka. Now you're talking. Look at that trade, guys. Boom. Nice. Went down 5 points. That is a day maker, guys and girls. All right, now we're definitely on our hands. Everybody get that trade at 96? Do every trade, guys and girls. We are crawling back from yesterday now, right? Again, not in a hurry, guys. Now that is it. We are done. Please. Please, 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 please. How are you making money from micros? No, we're not all trading micros, trader. I trade micros in this account. I'm always trading the minis on my Apex accounts. Okay. So I am always trading the regular ES on my Apex accounts. This is my real money account, so I'm never going to try. I'm never going to trade the ESs in here. Yeah. Today, you know, just these couple of trades, I'm up 400 and 800. So $1,225 today. I'm happy. That's a good day. That's a good day. I think the consumer sentiment could be another churn and burn, guys. What do you guys think? I think it's a pretty big number. Look at this pullback we just got. Are you shitting me? Jesus, Christmas. You guys want to talk about volatility? Don't get in the way of this thing. I left an order out at 74, guys. I just got very, very lucky. Did anyone else have an order out? I don't know why I had an order out at 74, but I had it out there. Jesus, Christmas. Did we have that out there earlier or something? Well, my $400 just turned into $1,700. I don't know how I did that, but I had an order out. All right, get ready. Churn and burn, baby. If you anyone else churn and burn in this number, the only reason I'm not crazy about it is look at this bar. Try and wait till the last second if you're going to do it. So 9:59 in like 40 seconds. But here's the gig for all my YouTubers and even all my boot campers and traders, right? Do not care if we do another trade today or not. It's Friday. We put a couple of bucks in a bank. We qualified an account, right? Leave early. Well, stay for the boot camp. Got to stay for the boot camp because we got Fibonacci's today in advanced options. But is anyone in a position this morning not to trade anymore, guys? Give me some ones. Yeah, I mean, come on. We got back a bunch of yesterday, right?
News, consumer sentiment.
Okay, let's see. It's coming out in 1 minute. Make sure I don't have any effing orders out anyway. Nothing. Anthony, you got yesterday back plus a little. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not crazy about this big bar, but if you're going to try it, you should have just pushed the button. I don't even know what it was, 78. Boom, you just qualified to the upside. Boom, qualified to the upside. And then some. All right, guys, that is another PA account done. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Anyone else get it besides Vish? So now you spent about 150 bucks, whatever it is, maybe 200 total, and you have 2 PA accounts today. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. William, 300 bucks is spectacular. Are you kidding me? Average 300 bucks a day. That's an extra $75,000 a year in your pocket. That is spectacular. Guys, we are not big hitters here, okay? Fish had a great Friday. He's done. We are not. You know, I'm more aggressive in my other accounts because I have a $50,000 cushion in all the accounts, you know. But if you're just starting to do this, 100, 200 bucks a day is a great day. It's a spectacular day. You know, that's what we try to do. Put a couple of bucks in the bank on balance. Get these accounts qualified and start taking money from them. We don't want auto trails though, Higago. We want to do market orders. Buy 10 contracts in one, sell 10 contracts in another. Yes, guys and girls, the price of all our courses is going up. So if you want to get in on a course, now's the time to do it. Again, it's 300 bucks, and I can't even tell you how much is included in it. All right, maybe you could have just taken the break of the orb, but again, I'm not trading anything. CRWV got below 68. I had a marker on that. Why? Let's go to the videotape. Weekly chart. Nope. All right. I must have had something. Daily? Monthly? Yep. We just hit a monthly level in CRWV. So, do I want to start a swing trade? Not on a Friday. And my weekly level is 60. I will be an investor in CRWV at 60 bucks, guys. Buy some stock and then sell upside calls against it, but I'm not worried about it on a Friday. I only got 1,200 on the churn and burn. Then you weren't patient, Billy. You saw that profit and you wanted to take it, right? Yes, yes. Jaeger's been making $200-300 for the last 3 to 4 days, and I'm feeling more confident. That's it, Jaeger. It's a process. It's a process. We are getting crushed now. So I guess if we were paying attention, look at the break of about a 15-minute orb, guys. That was 71. Quick few points. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Greg, you got that? Good. Good, 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 good. Positive on 3 accounts. Greg, be done for the day. I'm begging everybody. Begging. If you had a good day, be done for the day. Hang out for the boot camp. Okay? Or do this, guys. Buy another account on Apex for $37 and do any trades that set up. That's what I would do. Buy another PA account, eval account for 37 bucks. Turn off all your other stuff, and let's see if we can get another one of them qualified. What do you think of that? Nice job, Deidre. Does that make sense to everybody? Give me some ones, please, especially my boot campers and everybody else. All right? Yeah. Good question, Louisa, because you can always upgrade to the other courses. If you want to just learn about futures, and again, I'm being honest, just do the $299 for now. You can always upgrade to the boot camp. You can always upgrade to one of the other courses. If you're very new in it, but just concentrate on futures for the beginning. I'm not going to try to upsell you on something that you don't need. You know, with the futures course, you get the Tuesdays and Thursday nights. You get our Thursday night mentorship. So start with that, and it's only 300 bucks. Yeah, it's lifetime. You never have to pay us another penny for the course, guys. Not one dime, ever. And if you can't afford $300 to get your trading career started, you really shouldn't be trading. How about that? It's the best deal in the business, guys and girls. And I'm not blowing smoke. Well, whatever. I don't have to talk people into doing anything. It is what it is. But I'm being honest with you. Don't spend $700. Spend $300. There's the link. I'm not trading anymore again today, Armand. But with the ATR, you 100% should be trading MEFs. Guys, and with the $300, there's a payment plan. I'm just trying to help everybody. That's all. Told you guys, I don't make any money selling these courses. We bust our ass to make this possible for everybody. That's the bottom line. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long, lonely. I ain't doing anything now. I know we're hitting the 65 EMA and the 200 EMA again at 66. I'm doing nothing at 86. I don't care. Do we try to top of the orb? Yes. Let's try to top of the orb. And the only reason I'm posting stuff, guys, is because people still want to trade. So we just hit that 65 and 200 EMA again after going up 30 points, just to show you the technicals, and it went down 4 points. I'm going to put one out at 66.96. That is the top of the orb, just to prove the top of the orb trade. What should be your max profit target for the day with a 50,000 account? As a beginner, Azir? Yeah, I can go over the Apex account and how you qualify and all that stuff before we get out of here. Yes. 65.96. Okay. If you're just starting out, Azir, $100, $200 a day is a good day. So here's the thing. Yeah, but it still fits, Nivea, because it'll be up 25 points to hit there. Okay. How can you make so many mistakes? Who, me, trader? You mean hitting wrong buttons and stuff? I've already gotten 230 private messages this morning. That's number one. I'm trading in my Apex accounts, my Wealth Charts accounts, and my real accounts. That's number two. So I'm up 900 on a week. I'm happy going to the weekend, 2 MNQ at a time at a dream. There you go. Perfect. 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 Here's the thing. I'll talk about it for a few minutes, but in our course, guys and girls, we walk you through every single Apex rule, the drawdown, every single thing. We walk you through in that 7-hour course. All right. I'm opening up an Apex account. Let's start from scratch. Okay. I'm opening up an Apex account. It cost me $37. Forget about churn and burn. All right. I open up an account. It cost me $37. Great. They give me $50,000 of simulated funds. It's always simulated funds, guys and girls. Once I open up that account for $37, they give me $50,000 to trade with. Okay. From that, we have to qualify that account by getting that $50,000 to $53,000. You can do that in one day, as we did twice today. Once you get to $53,000, you're going to have to pay a fee to get into a paid account or a PA account. Right now, the sale is $40 to open up a PA account for lifetime. I have some accounts that I've had 50, 60, 70 days. I've paid $40 once and never had to pay another monthly fee. Once you get to the $53,000, you are now in a PA account. Your goal, again, is to get to $53,000. And then you can start taking money. It's technically $52,600. But we want you to get to $53,000, and then you can start drawing real money from a simulated account. Okay? Once you get to $53,000 again, and you can take forever in a paid account. Forever. Forever. You just have to have 8 trading days where you make $50 or more on 5 of those days. And it could take you forever to get to a payout. Okay? It won't reset you after 30 days. You can take forever. Once you get to 53,000, we want you to take $1,000 out, pay for everything that you did. If you get to 53,000 again, take $1,000 out. The reason we want to get to 53,000 is because then your trailing drawdown from 53,000 will be $50,100, and you'll always have at least a $2,000 cushion. In a PA account, gang, you need 8 days of trading. Not in an eval account. Eval you can do in 1 day. In a paid account, you need 8 days of trading, and you have to make at least $50 in 5 of those 8 days. Them's the rules. Okay. They have a 30% drawdown rule. What that means is if you have a large profit in any 1 day and you give back a huge percentage of that, your account is gone, blown up. That's why we trail stops. If I'm in something for a big profit and I'm up $1,000, I'm not risking more than $200 on that trade. And I'm locking in $800. If I'm up $2,000, I'm not risking more than $200 on that trade. And I'm locking in $1,800, so you will never have that rule to deal with. And again, this is all laid out spectacularly in our course. Everything. All right, let's take a breath. Anybody see anything to trade anymore? We're going to have an early day in the trading room as far as trading is concerned. We're going to take our break at about 10:45. Ken's going to start with, I don't like wealth charts either. I hate them. I have an account there because I've had it for 70 days. I think. I don't even know how long I've had it. Let me see. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long time. So 11 o'clock, Ken is going to start Fibonacci's. When Ken finishes, we'll take a little lunch break. And then Kevin's going to do advanced options. And then we are out of here like Vladimir. Done. I will address all of my boot camp people before we get out of here about what your next step is or what you want it to be. You can always, guys and girls, and today is the day, okay? Private message Ken, private message Kenny, Kevin, private message Scotty, set up some private lessons with them. They do one-on-one. They are spectacular. That will move along your learning process by about 80 billion%. Anyone who signs up for our course, you have access to them also. They charge next to nothing for hour-long lessons. It's insane. Insane. That will accelerate your learning process by about 8 billion trillion zillion%. Yeah, I have my wealth charts accounts for 84 days. Oh, there you go. I try to just make $50 a day in that so I can get to a payout.
Trump is talking right now.
Yeah, we have no orders out. How about that? No orders anyway. Dun, 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 our illustrious speaker. Just making sure I don't have anything on anyway. Okay. Where can I private message them, Armand? This is only for people who have taken our course or our room members. If you've taken our course or our room member, send me an email and I will forward it to one of them. Okay. Cool beans. Send me an email. Tell me who you prefer to work with, and I will forward the email to them. Guys, they're all spectacular. I could not do what I do without Kevin, Ken, and Scotty, plus everybody else in the trading room that contributes. Just spectacular. We are one for all and all for one, guys and girls. Everybody, we want everybody to do well. And we want to help people who are having problems. That's the bottom line. That's what our room is all about. That's what Wall Street Global is all about, period. Helping as many people as we possibly can. There is no ego. There is no talking about money. We had a couple of people yesterday that blew some PA accounts, okay? That hurts when you do that, especially if you have a lot in. I lost a bunch of money yesterday. I think I lost like $5,000 yesterday in my PA accounts. Didn't, put a dent in what I have in there, but it was a crappy day. It was just a very difficult trading day. A lot of our levels got blown right through. It was our worst day in the last 50 days. It happens. Between last night and today, we got it all back. In 1 day, we got it all back. So we're going to have losing days. We're going to have losing trades. Mega important to be switching from your micros, from your minis to your micros on days like this. Let's think about it. If I'm trading 4 contracts in a micro and I'm risking $200 a trade and I have 3 max loss trades, I lost $600. Nothing. It's a bad day, right? And we have a rule, guys and girls. If we have 3 max loss trades in one day, we are done trading. Done trading. Okay? So, your max loss on days like this should be no more than, $200, $400, $600. No, Anthony, for the times I showed up in slow markets, we did well. Scotty, was last night a losing night? Or did I just miss all the bad trades? No, it was not. If you did all the trades, it was a winning night. Yeah. Yeah, it was. It was. So you can't get too high when you're doing well. You can't get too low when you're doing poorly, especially if we're trading in eval accounts. Open up another one. Start over. Okay? But mega important. Mega important. When we are this volatile, just adjust your risk parameters so you don't blow anything up. That's fine, Anthony. Yeah, no, we had a couple. Justin called out a bunch of good levels. Do I like 67.43 in the MESs? 67.43? Oh, 65.43. I'll tell you what. We have our previous day low coming up at 65.50. That would be down 27 points. So it fits a regular moving average trade, and it fits our previous day low. I'm going to put 1 contract out because that's the most I'm trading anymore today. 65, 50, 50. Okay. Boom. If we get there fast. There you go, William. Look at the break of the orb. Spectacular. Spectacular. The reason we're bidding 50-50 is we want at least a 10-point move down to hit one of our technicals. This would be down in this one bar, 27 points. 27 points. The odds are, if that happens, we're going to get a bounce off that level. And that's all we can do is try to put the odds in our favor of our trades working. And that's why we use our technical analysis. Boom, chaka-lika, laka-luka. Amart, I couldn't even tell you what trades we took earlier. We had a lot of them. I don't remember. Ken had 7 trades this morning before the market opened. Where are we, guys? Did we have 2 trades or 3 trades or 4 trades today? I don't even know. We qualified an account, and I don't know if we had 2, 3, or 4 winning trades. You guys tell me. Anyone do all the trades? Tell me where we're sitting. We didn't get stopped out of any of them. Nobody's keeping track. All good. They were all winners. Let's just put it that way. It's been a long time, been a long time, been a long time. Deidre qualified 2 accounts this morning. I just wanted to tell you and the team, thank you for helping me on my trading journey. Listen to this. I qualified 2 accounts today and feel so good to finally connect with the right team. Thank you. Thank you, Deidre. That's the things that make it worthwhile doing what we're doing. That's real people, real testimonials in real time. I think the upside, but we need to take out. I just got back here. Just might finish for the day. Yes, we are finished for the day. Lisa, you just signed up for the course. Welcome to the family, and thank you so much. We appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You won't be sorry, I can tell you that. Or we'll give you your money back. How about that? So, all good. Yeah. In the course, it walks you through exactly how to open up your Apex account, just in case you have any questions on it. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be the last week of these prices, guys and girls. I'm working this week on the with our website designers to change some copy. We're going to add Tuesdays and Thursday nights to all of our courses now. That copy is going to be added. I still like the 50 guys if we smack down here 10 points. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long time. Was ATR ticks or points? ATR is points, not ticks. So the ATR right now in MES is 14 points, guys and girls. That's insane. Yesterday at one point it got up to 20. Right? Unfortunately, no perm. You know what I can do, perm? Yeah. I can give anyone who wants 10% off on the ultimate course. How about that? I just have to send you to my email, to my to Roman. I can get you a 10% off coupon for anyone who wants the ultimate course. So $70 off. Perm, send me an email if that's what you're interested in. And then I'll forward it to my man and he'll get in touch with you. Okay. That's the only course I can give a discount on because it's a little more expensive. Send me an email. I'll forward it to my man and tell him to get you a 10% off coupon. Yeah, you got to have at least an 8-point stop loss. So I'm looking for 50-50 on this bop down, guys and girls. Don't get there on this bop down. Jimmy crack corn and we don't care. If anyone's purchasing the course now, please let me know. Dave, I just purchased the course. It looks like Louisa, you just signed up for the course. Welcome to the family. Oh, look at the SPY orb. That's where I made my money. Let's look. Okay, I see a couple of trades here. I see we broke the orb to the downside for a little trade. We hit the top of the orb for a short little trade. We broke the bottom of the orb for a little trade. I don't know, which one did you do, William? This was the great short on the top of the orb at 950. All right, cancel this. We just ripped back up. Yes, Amar. There are videos about the orb in the course and how to apply it. Absolutely. Whole section on orbs, rules for orbs, everything. A whole section on money management. When do we change to the micros from the minis? What's our stop loss and all that? It's incredible. The futures course is just spectacular. 7 hours long. It's insane. And we're definitely raising our prices next week. I'm working with our website guys this weekend, changing some copy and stuff. Yes, it's a general orb lesson on how to do it, not necessarily just for futures, but there's an orb lesson in the course, Armand, 100%. Look at this, we just went up 20 points. All right, is this insane? Look at this volatility. We missed our 50 guys by 4 points. And we just went up 25 points. Good luck. Good luck trading this for the rest of the day. No, thank you. Nice job, William. Of all the courses are already massively discounted, they should all be 10 times what they are. I agree, Kyle, and everyone's telling us that. Yes, the 30% trailing drawdown. Oh, okay, here's your thing. All right, now you're asking something different. Okay. You cannot make more than 30% of your total profits in any one day. Okay. So in other words, if you have a $3,000 in one day, you're not going to be able to take any money out of that until your P&L goes over $9,000. That is the 30% rule a year. Okay. So if you have a huge one day, let's say, oh my God, I hit everything. I made $5 grand. Right. You're not going to be able to take any money out of that account until you are up $15,000. So that's the 30%. Should we shorten at the top of the orb? Yeah, let's try it small, 96. We'll put one up there. Okay, that is the 30% rule. So you can't make more than 30% of your money in any one day. It does not apply to eval accounts. You make 53,000 in an eval account, you are qualified. End of story. Does not apply to eval accounts. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long. I got you, Luis. Thank you for signing up for the futures course. Welcome to the family, my friend. Stefan, I don't know what's going on. Where are you, though? You're not in the boot camp right now, Stefan? I'll get you straightened out. Yeah, you're here, right? You got everything you need. Yes? You were in the boot camp all week. Yeah, you're all good. Not sure what your question is. Ooh, let the dogs out. All right, cancel this. We ain't getting there. All right. Everybody take a quick 5-minute break. I just have the first module day one in the course. What are you talking about, Willis?
Hey, I sent you the screen caps. Yeah, I just have the day one. It says completed, and then it doesn't take me to like a step 2 to anything else. It's just like the 45-minute day one.
What course did you buy?
The boot camp. I sent you a screenshot of my billing.
Just the boot camp?
Yeah.
That's why. But by buying just the boot camp, you don't have access to the course.
All right. I'll email you on the thing. I just want to make sure I'm doing whatever's.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. But yeah, apparently you just signed up for the boot camp without having the course. The boot camp is usually an upgrade once you have the course. No, it's all good. You paid for the boot camp, you're here. But you just don't have access to the course. That's all. So bottom line is, buy the futures course. That's the bottom line. And then you're all set up for the Tuesday nights and the Thursday nights. Capisci? Capisci. Yep. All good. But I'm glad you're in the boot camp with us. But that's how now you'll get access to the Tuesdays and the Thursday nights. Man, I would have liked the 50 again. How do you trade, guys and girls? Look at the ATR and the MESs. 16 points. So unless I get a 25-point move, I ain't doing any trades. Now, this would be a 25-point move. We went from 83, that would be a 30-point move to 50-50. So let's put one out. Unbelievable. See, this is what happened to us yesterday. Okay. 65-51. 65-51. Right? But we were looking for technicals in all other places and stuff, and they didn't work. So I'm being much more patient today since we already put a bunch of money in the bank anyway. $51 on this bop down. Small. It's been a long time, and as you'll notice, guys and girls, I'm always watching when something's getting to one of my levels. Faster it gets here, the better trade's going to be. If this meanders down here, we're going to cancel that too. All good is here. All good. We were just looking at short in the top of the orb, 30 points from where we are right now. Crazy. William made $10,800 this week. Nice job, William. But I'll tell you this, William. Okay? Don't talk about it. Just don't. put the money in your bank, whatever you're going to do. But I find that whenever we start talking about actual money, it's the kiss of death. It is. The futures course will teach you like a 5-year-old. That is correct, Les. Yes. It will teach you like if you've never traded a stock, if you don't know the difference between a stock and a clock, it will teach you from scratch. We go over limit order, market order, language of the stock market, everything. Everything. Yep. It's spectacular. And again, you get our Tuesday nights, you get our Thursday nights, you get mentorship, all that crap. I don't mean crap, but you get everything. And it'll teach you from the beginning. Only the beginning. Only the beginning. Little Chicago coming at you from Green Room Trading Live at 10:31 on a Friday afternoon, November 21st, 2025. It's only the beginning. Only the beginning. Private trading room also includes all my singing. Boom chakalaka. I've been around the world and yeah, baby. Then you have to learn all of our slang that we use in the green room. We have a bunch of different sayings that somebody has put together for us. William, I wanted to say I've been using your guys' rule and tool, and I love it here. There you go. Boom. Without having a course, right, William? Love it. Okay, what's some advice for trading gold? Doesn't show much on a futures playbook. We have rules, Armand. There are rules for trading gold in your course. We just added it. It is in there under, where is that, Scotty? It's under gold, the trading rules that we have. It's a separate thing. Again, if you have any problems finding something, but we talk about it, Armand, and I'm going to go over it now for everybody anyway. It's definitely in your course. 100%. It is in your course. In the resource center. Okay? In the resource center. You will find that. I don't know there are more people here is the best trading room. Thank you. I've been using your guys' rules and tools, and I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, guys. Anyone who has our course, we can tell how much of it you've seen. I can go into your course and see if you've seen 20% of it, 35% of it, 50% of it. I know. So you guys got to help us out and do some work, man. You want to get better at it. You guys got to help us too. I want to thank Scotty and Kevin for last night's slow market. It was amazing. Pal, that's what we're doing. They're teaching us how to fish. Yes, that's what we are doing, guys and girls.
Hey, Dave, do you want me to post your glossary?
Yeah, go ahead, post it. I'll share it with everybody before we take our break. Okay. Somebody makes me want to get the course. What's holding you back, William? $300? Come on. Jump on in. Jump in, the water's fine. Post the link again. I know a lot of people keep asking me. There's the link for the course. Okay, let's check out David's glossary, guys and girls. Some of the things you have to learn if you're going to be in our private trading room. Okay. Just some of the common phrases that we use. Oops. Okay, here we go. Okay, dipsy doodle. That means that the market is going down, right? For shizzle, that's just something I say all the day. Wackadoodle, crazy, unpredictable moves in the market. Stuck in the middle with you, steal his wheel. Stock's not doing anything, it's just hanging out and doing nothing. Redonkadonk, stocks that are not worth trying to trade. Whack-a-dacka, crack-a-dacka. When a stock gets smashed down, boom, chakalika-laka-laka, just had a good trade. Boom, chakalaka, just had a good trade. Get the flock out of here. That's what I try to tell everybody when they're done trading for the day. Get the flock out of here. Stinks on ice. When a stock doesn't go as planned, usually a missed trade. Yep, we come close to getting hit in something, you're going to hear stinks on ice. We're in nowhere's land. That's when a stock is just untradeable. Kiss my ass in Macy's window. The stock did not trade as expected. Disappointment. Bop down, a bop up. Oh, we just got smack-a-dack. Take profits. Too slow, guys. Too slow. We are too slow. It went right up from 51. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. We are too slow. It went right to 52.50. You stink. All right. I'm just going to try to get out break even if we get a bop back up. Otherwise, that's why we did one. I'll risk $25 on a trade. That is it. Only the beginning. And we're out break even. Don't care. I'm not trading anymore. Don't ask me to trade. Don't tell me what to trade. Don't look at anything anymore. So now here, I just want to talk about management of that trade though, guys and girls, and how cool that was. All right. So we got in at 51. Very important to do what I do. It went 5 points against us. We didn't get stopped out. It gave us a chance to get out break even. Bye-bye. Mega, mega important. And that just comes with experience. But if I get down 4 or 5 points in a trade and I get a chance to get out break even, I am getting out every single time. Did everyone get out of that trade break even? Let me know if you did it. Talk to me. Give me ones. I walked you through exactly what to do. Well, why aren't you listening to me? First of all, I don't think anyone traded, but whatever. When I talk, listen. And just as a rule, Anthony, if you're down, this went 5 points against us and gave us a chance to get out break even. Always take the trade and get out break even. Always, always, always. Let's look for our next level now. And again, I don't want to trade anymore, but people are asking me. Double bottom at 65.25. It's really the next spot I'm interested in. Would we short the top of the orb now? That is at 73. That would be up 30 points from here, and we have 6 moving averages there. Break even, McScrooge, is when it goes against you and it gets back to your break even price. Just sell it with a market order. Boom. Yeah, I'm going to give away some accounts in a few minutes. We're going to wrap it up in a few minutes. So let's put out the top of the orb. Again, one contract. 72, 65, 72. 65, 72. Back up 25 points. All right. Here's what we're doing. Don't leave, YouTubers. I'm going to give away some accounts in a couple minutes. I think with Scotty, Ken wanted to get going at 11 o'clock, guys. So let's do this. Cancel. YouTubers, we're going to take a 20-minute break. 15, 20 minutes. Let's take a little break. We'll come back. I'll give some accounts away. And then we'll say goodbye to YouTube and start our morning lessons. All right. So everybody, take 15 minutes. 10:54, we're back. 15 minutes. Okay. Good for YouTube. Give me some ones. Good for Trading Room. Give me some ones. Okay. No good for you, May? All right. Yeah, and we have VWAP up there, Trader. That's why that would be a really good short if we get that. Yes, back at 10:54. Then we'll give away some accounts. And we're going to start our Fibonacci lesson with Ken in the morning. We'll take a little lunch. And then we're doing advanced options with Kevin in the afternoon. Then the boot camp is done. I'll address you guys before we get out of here for the day. Before I do anyway. All right, 15-minute break. We'll be back. Look at this volatility. Up we go, down we go, up we go, in we go, out we go. Okay, here we go, YouTubers. I'm gonna get you guys out of here on this note. Okay. Thank you, everybody. First of all, a bunch of you signed up for our course. Welcome to the family. There is the link for that. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shorting the top of the orb worked once again like a charm. Boom. Yowza, gorgeous. Yeah, nice job, guys. Boom, boom. Hope you took it. People in the trading room took it. Yes. Obviously, I didn't. I wasn't here. I like the 200 EMA. If we get up to 84, I'll put one up there. Rachel got it. Beautiful. 65.84. Telling you, the orb strategy is really, really spectacular for us. It has been great. Just great. Morning breakouts, everything. It's been working great. Okay. Now, email to get into private trading room. And I got like 30 of you guys coming in next week. You're going to have a great time there and learn a crap load. Okay. That's my email for that if you missed it. Okay. Those two things. Course, join our family. Email me, live trading room next week. Okay. Last thing. This is the email you are going to send if you hear your name called, and Roman will give you a free account. Write it down. Do not email me. You're going to email wsgta.com@gmail.com for your free account. Okay? Give me some ones if everybody understands that. And this is on YouTube, guys, not in the private trading. Private trading room, you're getting squadouche. Squadouche was in, I don't think Squadouche is in the glossary. No. Get on that, Trent. Squadouche means nothing.
Geez, did I really miss that one?
Yeah, Squadouche.
Really? Okay.
All right, stop typing in one, guys and girls. Yep. Okay, here we go. In no particular order, guys and girls, okay? I like to reward the people who are here the longest. So my first winner is going to be Trader Scrooge McDuck. Let me know if you are here. Trader Scrooge McDuck. He was the first one that logged on this morning. And he's here. See that, Trader? You were with me all day. You're getting rewarded for it. Send an email to that wsgta.com@gmail.com. Okay? That's another reason I picked it. You guys know I love these crazy names, right? But Trader was with us from 7:30 this morning. Okay, let's go. Next is going to be, are you here? Maydanova 20. Maydanova 20, are you here? Maydanova 20. Maydanova 20, are you here? Going once. Madonna, are you here? Going twice. Madonna, are you here? Going 3 times. And Madonna is out. Next is going to be no. Oh, I love this one. Boozy stop loss. I feel like I'm on Impractical Jokers, making up the names to make people laugh. Boozy stop loss, are you here? There you go. You are winner number 2. Boom. You are winner number 2. Guys, we do 5 of these every Monday and every Friday. In addition, we're hanging out with you guys for 2.5 hours. Okay. You are winner number 2. Winner number 3 is going to be, let's see if you are here. Motif, number 34. Motif, 314. Are you here, Motif? Motif. Are you here? It was you, Donovana. That's you. You won one. Send an email. Motif is here. You are winner number 3. Boom, chakalaka laka. Send an email to WSGTA.com@gmail.com. Do not send it to me. Boom, chakalaka laka. Our next winner is okay, let's see if you are here. 1,000 words or less. Are you here for winner number 4? 1,000 words or less. Are you here? 1,000 words or less. You are here. You are winner number 4. Send an email to wsgta.com@gmail.com. Boom, chakalaka laka. And our last winner for today, again, we will have more winners on Monday. We will have more winners on Friday. Okay. Our last winner is going to be, let's see if I can get this right. Ooh. Mars 2500. Mars 2500. Are you here? Mars 2500 is here. You are winner number 5. Send an email to wsgta.com@gmail.com. Guys, we're going to do this every Monday and Friday. Oh, I forgot to give you guys something else. Okay. I forgot. Anyone who buys a course today or has bought a course today, okay, I'm going to give you a free Apex account included. That's a $50 value. So you're getting $50 off the course, okay? Anyone who buys a course today, I will give you a free Apex account. That is the link, right? So right now we're knocking $40 off the price. That's what it's going for now, $37. So I'm giving you 10% off, more. I'm giving you 15% off the course. You're going to get a free Apex account if you sign up today. If you signed up already, okay, and there were a few of you, Roman will check this. Send Roman an email. Tell him you signed up for the course today and David said to give you a free Apex account. Okay? So those who have bought the course, all right, send Roman an email. You will get a free Apex account to get you started with us. How about that, guys and girls? If you want to buy the course, I will give you a free Apex account. That is the link. Boom. All right. Ed, I'll figure something out for you. If you come in on Tuesdays and Thursday nights, we'll work something out. All right. All right. So it has been a pleasure. We made a couple of bucks. Everybody make a couple of bucks on YouTube. Give me some ones. Everybody should have made a couple of banana skins while we were hanging out. Yep. Very good. A few of you have joined the course. Love it, love it, love it. So if you've joined the course, the first time we will get together, guys, is Tuesday night for slow markets with Scotty for 3.5 hours. Boom. That's worth the entire price of the course, just so you know. Change your name to F-Bomb next week. I like it. George, you just signed up for the futures course. We will see you Tuesday night and send an email to Roman. Okay. Oh, you got your PA account. I love it. That is the best feeling. If you just signed up, George, send an email to Roman. Tell him I told you to give you a free account. Okay. So we're giving you a discount, guys. Nice discount. This way you'll all be set up. Have your accounts open for our Tuesday night slow markets. Boom. I complete the futures course one more time and my performance improved 100% in all aspects. Thank you again for all the team. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, blowing a PA account is the worst thing over, but you shouldn't do it, guys. especially in volatile times, remember, okay? Remember to go from the minis to the micros and stretch out your stop order. And you won't be blowing up PA accounts. Okay. Nah, but he's going to check it against the course buyers, Shane. What do you think? What do you think? We're amateurs here? You think we're amateurs? Gotcha, Kent. I have won an Apex giveaway before. Am I still eligible? Yeah, I called you, Scroogey, so you'll get another one. All good. I guess I just like that name. Unless you want to give it up, we'll give it to someone else. That's up to you. Boom, boom, boom. All good. Yeah, I didn't think so. All right. I'm going to post these one more time, guys. Buy the course. Come into the, I have like 30 of you guys now that are coming into the trading room next week. So I'm excited about that. All right, YouTube, let's hope this is the worst day we ever have and tomorrow's about a day. We will be back at it on Monday with all of you guys. Everybody have a blessed weekend. Spend time with your families. Enjoy. Green Jeans is out of here like Vladimir. Over ski and out ski.